In this video, you'll learn how to search for a specific add-on on Blixo. There are two search methods, full text and partial text. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Add-ons field to access the add-ons list. First of all, I will search for an add-on using the full text method. Enter a random add-on name and press Enter. Let's check it out. Success. Next, let's try with partial text and check the results. The add-on has been searched successfully. Voila! You have successfully searched for a specific add-on in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.